not taking that in, I'm just, I shift into neutral. Then I see what's needed. So I'll don't necessarily go into masculine, but I'll shift into neutral to be able to see where the guidance is needed. Yeah.
Neutral's fair.
Yeah.
Curious.
Sounds like that. Every second. I'm just like, I'm here. Like, whatever I'm channeling is what it is. You know, no, neutral, nothing. Stars, bro. That's exactly what it is. Yeah. Something like that.
He'll make a ugly girl. Definitely be a guy.
Perspective.
And I know how to tap on both ends.
That's great. I love that. Who's somebody who does look, give the appearance of somebody who's really like macho or manly, like such as yourself, and who's able to tap into that soft, like feminine side. That's great. That's attractive as heck. So like I will say that to like anybody who's just like tapping into either their feminine or masculine, I'll comment on it. I'll be like, giving them I'm like, you know how to tap into that. That's amazing. Not a lot of people can.
This is more so nurturing, especially in children.
I love being nurturing to like children. I have some experience with a partner who had children, and they would come over. I would like make them breakfast. Yeah, I love them. So. Oh yeah, for sure.
Teach you some stuff.
Yeah, like the things that you thought you had forgotten, or if you have forgotten it and you just need a little spark of reminder, they will be there for that.
So you value playtime.
Oh, for sure.
Quiet time, using your imagination. Being creative. Not losing your imagination, because your imagination is where you're creative. It's your right to do it.
It's a driving force. You like Legos?
Nope.
I am still deciding what kit I want. I'm currently just a little bit smitten over, like it's like a sakura kit. Yeah, and yeah, it's the cherry blossoms. I want to get like a cherry blossom sakura like powder so I can make drinks, because I know it's good. I like making drinks.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Like I drink more than I eat. Yeah. There's a running joke for my mom. She'll like, my children drink more than they eat. And I'm just like, we like a good drink.
A good drink is rewarding.
It's refreshing. Yeah. You like boba?
I do.
It can be kind of weird with people because of the chewy texture of the tapioca. There are also popping pearls, where there is a like thin layer that's protecting the juice inside of it, and then like that's so weird to people. And I'm just like, well, yeah.
It reminds me of something, so I have to be careful.
Yeah.
I like it. It reminds me of something, so I have to be careful.
Oh, is it like a bad thought?
No, it's a good thought.
Oh.
Anatomy.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I like it.
Cool. But those drinks can have a lot of textures, and I like a lot of texture in my drink. So like sometimes the boba drink will have like the tapioca pearls, maybe some cream, maybe toffee, something to accompany it. Some drinks have cheese in it. Believe it or not, and it
I've
works
never had a drink that had cheese in it.
well with it. I haven't had it either, but I've watched and like seen people who have it. So I'm just like, wow. I love drinks, and I love the drinks that are just like that are so experimental. Yeah, food is amazing.
Food definitely is, especially Creole food.
Oh yes, yes,
This
yes,
is
yes.
really hitting my soul right there.
I am waiting for it to be a certain temperature so I can make the gumbo, because like gumbo is just like a dish that is like piping hot. In the summer, that is not a dish to really be had. You can have it, but like your whole house needs to be like at a certain temperature.
Cool.
So yes.
Yeah, because seafood is cool.
For sure.
Yeah, you know, there's a lot. Yeah, it's like,
Oh, what was that?
I was thinking, instead of 4th of July, you know, hot dog stuff, we ain't good though.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Too, and I had leftover juices that I saved.
Ooh.
Put inside of a whole large old container.